Using my app this morning,
Yeah.
I reported a repair. I found it so much easier than having to try and phone up, sit there and wait for somebody to answer, explain what's wrong. I just literally went on, pressed it and reported my repair, and that's logged in the system now, so I'll get a message or something to tell me they're coming.
Like I said, it will be better by having an app and you get through to the repair department straight away, or if you've got a problem, they'll contact you.
Just saves wasting time when you're busy.
You know, because they are busy.
Well, I'm set up now and I was well impressed with my repair this morning. I was like, oh, nice one.
Yeah.
You just press repair and it's there straight away. It's so much easier for me. I can keep an eye on my rent statement to make sure we're in credit all the time.
Yeah.
Things like that. That's what I mean. So it's so easy because it's there.
Yeah.